Hi, it's been a while since I've been around. I know I've been missing, but I was first working on some really exciting things that I am creating, and also I ended up getting super sick. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea while I'll give you some updates on what I'm going to be showing you today. This amazing support for my clematis that has changed the complete look of my backyard, and I had to share it with you. But I want to warn you about something before you ever buy anything like it, because I discovered, thank goodness, and it has worked so well. So there's one on Amazon and there's one on Wayfair. The one I bought on Wayfair, there's a reason. The one that is from Amazon, it is really tall, and the Wayfair too, but it goes straight down the tower. It doesn't barely taper out, and the winds here are so crazy. Plus, I want the plant to grow and spill to one side because it's for me, not for the neighbor. So I'm gonna train it where it just drapes like a waterfall on one side, so that it's gonna be heavy. So the one on Wayfair, it goes down and then it tapers out pretty wide, so the ratio of the bottom to the round wide top is more balanced and it's not gonna tip over so easily. Now you'll need to obviously support it with something else, and I'll show you on the video that, but it is chef's kiss. It is so good. I absolutely have loved this. This is the best purchase I think I have made on 2024. So I am going to be showing you that on this vlog. I decided to add this trellis right where my rose tree is and my red maple tree. It would be a real big statement. Here's the one clematis. It's already growing a lot. It's all the way up here. And then I have another one coming out here, and it is already growing all this stuff. So they need something to support and just have them be like really large and create almost like a waterfall. So that's what I'm gonna try to install and see how it works. I'm hoping it's simple.
Got a hold on me, won't let go of me. This somehow it's got a grip on me, won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you.
This trellis is really easy to put together, but I ended up finding out that when you're putting the round part on the top, it doesn't work with only one person. You definitely need to get someone to help you with this part. I ended up getting my husband, and we did it in just a few minutes. It was really quickly. How pretty! And now I'm gonna just get this. See if I can do this without breaking it. Oh my god, there's 3 plants. I thought there were 2. I think this is gonna be too much. It'll start tangling and then go up and spill down. This is really gonna change how this whole corner looks. Look how pretty the trellis is, and as soon as it started growing, it was stunning. It really anchored really well, but I ended up letting it bind one of the plants into the pole there, the hanging pole, and then I added one more on the back because I had 3 plants. So this works depending on the size of plant you have. If it's really large, it only works for 1, and you can see in the back how it really stood up, and I absolutely loved it because from the sofa in the sitting area we really got to see the show. It was so pretty. It filled up that whole corner really beautifully.
An old man with silver hair sitting in his rocking chair. Soon you'll be there. Though it's easy to remember, it's as easy to forget that it leaves you feeling down and filled with some regrets. All this trick of the memory.
I'm getting ready to replace this trellis. I decided that instead of growing an eggplant there, I'm gonna grow this beautiful clematis in it. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna put it here, but I think it needs something larger than this. So it's called a Florida Ceboldi, and the color is so pretty that I thought it would be so beautiful at the end of the sofa, and it will give height to this pot. So I'm gonna get this done today. I think I need something to put this soil in. This one blooms in the summer, so I'll have it all summer long, I think through August. Let's see, June through September, so that works out really well. I need a container. Let me try to find one. I'm gonna use this. And I have the Super Bellissima petunias that I'm growing from seed, and I think it will look pretty on petunia spilling down here. So that will be going here also. Okay, let's see. I don't want to break the root. There we go. Oh. That really. I think I need it to be a little deeper. I'm gonna just go ahead and do it with my hand. Yeah, that's better. I don't want to break it. I gotta cut a few of these pieces. Clean it right after I go ahead and plant it. In Clematis, I find I like the roots shaded, so I like the pansy to shade it, but I think I'm gonna maybe put a piece of stone on the front of it. So you can put mulch or anything like that, but I just put a piece of stone, something to shade the root. I'm not gonna press too hard. I don't want to crush the pansies. Place them inside so they don't break. There we go. I think I am gonna get rid of this because I think it'll tangle itself pretty quickly into the trellis. I love clematises, but I like the ones, I have only one that blooms in the spring by the pond, and the rest I like them to be where they bloom in the summer through fall, so that I have flowers when I'm out here. In the spring we're not out here a lot because it's raining too much. So let's see, it's quite a bit tangled, so I'm looking to see, trying to be gentle to see if I can pull it apart. So I can start training it. Gonna train, it already has, look, all the flowers that are coming out. Really nice. So I'm gonna get some twine, I think, to try to tie very gently a couple of spots, and then it will do all the work itself. Oh, there we go. I may not have to. This is all one lead. May not need any twine because it can hang from the top, and then this one will start getting itself out. There we go. So pretty. Get some water, and it's done. I'm going to leave this tag here for now. I have a binder that I make and I keep all my tags there. So I gotta go look for a little stone here to put it in shade. So I'm gonna place this rock right here just so that it has a little bit of shade. And let's see how it does. And here it is. It's got one lead coming out here, and then I tangle it. I put it all the way to the top and then folded it down to come down again. So I think that it's gonna do really well. Creating a video for you that is a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to select your clematis. I wish I had this info before I bought any clematises, so I would be growing the right one on the right location. I knew how to take care of it. So I'm creating that for you, and that's gonna come really, really soon. I'll link it on this video whenever I release it. By the way, this is yerba mate. If you're looking for a really good tea, a good tea for you, I'll link it. It's like the best tea. I'm hooked on it. I've been having it for months. She just always has to get attention. I'm trying to warm up because I don't feel that great yet. But yes, that will be coming really soon. I have all the footage already and I'm editing the videos. Let me know if you have any questions or if you are growing a specific clematis you've fallen in love with, because I'm always in search of new ones. And go ahead and have a beautiful holiday season.